StudyMojo.com.
Next question is also from exercise 12.2. Question number 5. Exercise 12.2, question number 5. The question is, in a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtending an angle 60 degree at the center. Find first part, the length of the arc. First part is length of the arc. The length of the arc. Then second part we have to find is area of the sector formed by the arc. Area of the sector formed by the arc. Area of the sector formed by the arc. Third part we have to find is area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. Area of the segment. Area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. These are the things we have to find. The question is, in a circle of a radius 21 centimeter, here radius is given as 21 centimeter. A radius r is equal to 21 centimeter and subtending an angle 60 degree at the center. Central angle theta is equal to. Central angle theta is equal to 60 degree. These are the given things in the question. So we are drawing a rough figure. In a circle of radius 21 centimeter, here is a circle of radius 21 centimeter. Circle whose radius is 21 centimeter, central angle theta is equal to 60 degree. This is equal to 60 degree. Naming A, center O and B. First of all, we have to find out the length of the arc. Arc length AB, that is the first part. We are finding the arc length. First one is length of the arc. Formula is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. This is the formula here. Radius is 21 centimeter. So giving the values, it is 60 by 360 into 2 into pi, 22 by 7 into radius is equal to 21. So much centimeter is the length of the arc. Now, cancelling 0 and 0. 6 and 36, it is 6. This 2 and 6 is getting cancelled, leaving 3. Then 3 into 7, which is equal to 21, cancelling. The remaining quantity is 22. The length of the arc is 22 centimeter. We are getting the answer as 22 centimeter is the length of the arc. That is, the first part is over. We are getting length of the arc to be 22 centimeter. Now, in the second part, we have to find the area of the sector formed by the arc. Area of the sector means area of sector AOB. Area of sector AOB. Second part. Area of sector. Formula theta by 360 into pi r square. Giving the values 60 by 360 into 22 by 7 into square of the radius 21 into 21 centimeter square. Cancelling, it is 6. Now, cancelling with the 2, here it is 3, here it is 11. 3 into 7, 21 and 121 is getting cancelled. Now, the remaining quantity is 11 into 21 centimeter square, which is 231. 231 centimeter square is the area of the sector. Now, in the third part, we have to find out the area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. This is the corresponding chord. AB is the corresponding chord. And we have to find out the area of the segment. Then, this is the area of the segment. The shaded portion is the area of the segment. This area we have to find out. For that, we have to subtract the area of triangle AOB from the area of the sector. Since the central angle is 60 degree, this angle we are taking as x and this will be also equal to x because OA is equal to OB. OA is equal to OB. Therefore, angle OAB will be equal to angle OBA. We are taking it as x. Now, sum of three angles is 180 degree. That means x plus 60 degree is equal to 180. X plus x at 2x is equal to 180 minus 60, which is equal to 120 degree. That means 2x is equal to 120 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 120 by 2, which is equal to 60 degree. Now, here also it is 60. Here also it is 60. Means all the three angles are equal. That means all the three sides are equal. The result is triangle AOB is an equilateral triangle. That means therefore, triangle AOB is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So we have to find out the area of the equilateral triangle. Area of triangle, third part. In the third part, we are finding the area of triangle AOB. Area of triangle AOB, which is equal to root 3 a square by 4. Root 3 into a square. A square means 21 square, that is 21 into 21 divided by 4. This is equal to 21 into 21, which is equal to 441 root 3 by 4 centimeter square. Now we have to subtract this area of triangle AOB from the area of the sector AOB. Therefore, we are getting the area of the segment. Therefore, area of the segment is equal to area of sector. Area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of triangle. Giving values, area of sector is equal to 231 minus area of triangle is 441 root 3 by 4 centimeter square. This is the area of the corresponding segment. So, here we have to find out three answers. First one was the length of the arc AB. Length of the arc AB, we found it as using the formula theta by 360 into 2 pi r. We are getting the answer as 22 centimeter. In the second part, we are finding the area of the sector using the formula theta by 360 into pi r square. We are getting it as 231 centimeter square. Now, in the third part, we have to find out the area of the corresponding segment formed by the chord AB. For that, we have to find the area of the triangle and subtract this area of triangle from the area of the sector. Subtracting, we are getting the answer as 231 minus 441 root 3 by 4 centimeter square is the area of the corresponding segment. Okay.